So, a circumcircle. That was a bit painful to me. I wonder if you know what a circumcircle is. Well, let's have a look. So, a circumcircle. If we have got a triangle with three vertices like this, then the circumcircle is the circle that passes through the three vertices of the triangle like that. It's sort of goes around the circle that goes around the triangle, if you like. So that's what I've drawn here. Now there's two common ways of answering a question like this. The first one involves finding the midpoints of two of the sides, and then looking at the gradient of the side, then doing the perpendicular gradient, the negative reciprocal, to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. And if you get two perpendicular bisectors, they will intersect at the center. But I'm choosing the alternative method, which is to use simultaneous equations. So I'm starting here with the general form of the equation for a circle, where AB is the center and R is the radius, and I'm substituting the values of -7 for x and -1 for y into this, which gives me that equation. And then when I do something similar for the other 2 points, I get these two equations here. So I can now look at this pair of equations, and if this is equal to r squared and this is equal to r squared, then these two expressions must be equal to each other. That looks a bit long-winded, so I'm multiplying the brackets out. Looks even more long-winded, but luckily the a squareds cancel, the b squareds cancel, and when I combine like terms, I get this. A nice, neat, linear equation. Then when I look at the first and the third equations together, I get this expression here, doing something similar, multiplying out the brackets and then grouping like terms, I get another neat little linear equation, which I can solve simultaneously with the other one. And the values of a and b that I derive are -3 and 2 respectively. So I need now to find out what r is, and I can do that by substituting these values for a and b into any of these three equations. I'm going to choose the first one. When I do that, I get r squared is equal to 25, but I haven't yet answered the question because I've got to find the equation of the circumcircle. So I need to put these values of a, b, and r squared into the general form of the equation for the circle, and I get this answer here. So how did you get on with that question? Did you use the perpendicular bisector method? If you got the same answer, well done.